you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Amanda, and today we are going to be doing a very requested clean with me video. And up until now, I feel like we've kept things pretty clean. I feel like it's usually just like tiny little like cleanups here and there, but we're pretty good at staying on top of it. But I would say the past like week or so, we have both been so busy. Christmas was yesterday. My mom just had hand surgery, so I've been running back and forth to home, trying to help her out and stuff. Vlogmas has been going on. There has been like zero time to like keep on top of anything, and I am embarrassed at how disgusting our apartment looks, but I'm also just so excited for the after product that I felt like we needed to film this process. So I'm going to give you guys a very real before. Please do not judge. It is literally repulsive, and we're both like, oh my God, we need to do this immediately. So we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna give you the before, prepare yourselves, and we're gonna do some deep cleaning today. So let's get into it. So we're gonna start at the door here, okay? And we're already off to a bad start. This is really disgusting. Like literally, what? Like this is so bad. It's everything. It's such a mess. Okay, moving into here. Yup, looking really good. Billy needs a cage change. We need to do laundry, we need to wash sheets, comforters, all of it. My little corner is so dirty. We just keep throwing like dirty towels and stuff on the ground, so definitely need to stop that. And the den is just kind of always a mess, and I really need to get this room together. So this one's probably not gonna change much, but yeah. Okay, so we are gonna go ahead and get to deep cleaning literally everything. I was kind of hoping that when we were doing this, I could like take down the Christmas stuff, but I feel like we need to leave it up for at least one more week. And then for New Year's, we'll take everything down. So let's go ahead and get into the cleaning, shall we? All right, so first I'm gonna start with laundry just because we have quite a bit of it to do. I wanna do our sheets. I'm gonna try and wash my comforter because my fake tan has come off on it so badly. I'm just going ahead and opening up the blinds to let some light in, and then I'm gonna go ahead and strip my bed down, taking off all the sheets, all of the pillowcases, all that. Whenever I'm gonna be doing laundry, I always go ahead and sort all of our laundry out into different piles depending on their color. This just makes it super easy for me to go ahead and grab the whole pile when it's ready to flip things over. I make sure I go into the bathroom, grab all of the towels that we've been using, into the kitchen and grab all those as well. I'm washing our oven mitts as well because they definitely needed some help, and I'm just throwing them into their designated piles. Next, I'm going into the kitchen and I'm starting on dishes. We had a bunch of stuff just laying around from when we cooked for Christmas. So I just wanted to get all of those out of the way and get the dishwasher started running. So that's what I'm doing here. After I finished with the dishes, it was time to start and just tidy everything up in the whole living room, dining room area. We had a bunch of bags just thrown around from Christmas, so I started to hang up our coats, fold up the reusable bags that we had some stuff in, and just start to put all of the little miscellaneous items away. Cage change time! Then it was Billy's cage change time. He needed this so badly, so Evan and I just teamed up to clear out his cage and fill it back in to make it nice and clean. I always do this before I go ahead and clean the floors because half the time it ends up making a huge mess and then I won't have to double clean. Now it was time to clean the floors. I got my vacuum and my broom out. I try and sweep usually around all of the places with hardwoods. I find that it just works a little bit better for some things. So I'm just sweeping all around through our living room, dining room, and kitchen area to make sure I get up all the dust and dirt. I then heard that our laundry was done and ready to be switched over, so I went ahead and switched some. I actually ended up re-washing our comforter because the stains from my fake tan, it came out quite a bit, but I felt like one more wash would do it, and I was absolutely right. It looks perfect and like back to new now. Next, I'm going ahead and swiffering the flooring. This is like my best friend. I love when we have clean floors. It just makes me so happy. So I'm just going through swiffering all of the hardwood and into the bathroom. Then grabbing the little trash bin from our bathroom, going ahead and dumping that out into our bigger trash. Now I am gonna go ahead into the bathroom and start cleaning everything. I have these Lysol wipes and I'm just wiping down all of the counter, our surfaces, the toilet, everything. I also have this glass cleaner which I'm absolutely in love with, and so I just went ahead and cleaned the mirror as well. I'm using my little duster to get the dust off of all of the surfaces of everything else as well. And then I'm going into the shower. I need to get some actual shower cleaner, but I'm just spraying some of that glass cleaner and just cleaning up everything as well. Then I head back into the living area and I'm Lysoling down all of the surfaces and glass cleaning all of the glass surfaces as well, just making sure that everything is nice and clean. I took this Lexol leather cleaner and I cleaned our couch. My camera ended up dying, but the amount of dirt that came off of our couch was actually disgusting. I couldn't even believe it. I'm heading back into the kitchen to Lysol wipe down all of these surfaces now. Like I said, I like to do this pretty frequently just because of, you know, COVID and everything, and just to make sure that all of our germs and everything are just wiped away. Also wiping down our cabinets, they tend to collect fingerprints very often and it's really gross. And then going ahead and cleaning our stove as well. This tends to get some crumbs in it and just gets gross after, you know, cooking bacon and things like that. So I'm just going ahead and wiping everything down. The dishes were done now, so I'm gonna go ahead and put those away into the cabinet, just organizing this a little bit because sometimes I just end up throwing them in there. It gets a little bit disorganized, so I wanted to make sure that that was perfectly put away. And just putting away the rest of the dishes as well. I'm just throwing the rest of the laundry back in the bin. I knew I wasn't gonna have a chance to put any more in that night, so I just threw it back in the bin and started tidying up the rest of the room. That little corner of mine gets very, very cluttered very quickly, so I just tidied up my makeup and everything, wiped down my makeup vanity with the Lysol wipes as well, and also the windowsill. I sometimes do my makeup over there and I get a little bit of makeup on it, which is not good, so I just wanted to make sure that that came off. Then I went and grabbed the vacuum. My cactus loves to leave its little prickers all over the windowsill, so I was just vacuuming those up. Magic erasing some of the little spots that the pot left on the windowsill, and then just vacuuming everything else. Evan and I are now making the bed. The best feeling in the world is clean sheets. I swear it's literally my favorite thing ever. So we're just going ahead and making the bed before we went to bed. The next morning, I just straightened up the bed a little bit and started folding the laundry that I had done the night before. I just folded it all up and then put it away. After I finished the laundry, I just went ahead and finished off the cleaning with making my bed. It just finishes everything off and makes the job feel complete. All right, you guys, the house, apartment, whatever, is finally clean. I cleaned basically all day yesterday, and then I just did some finishing things today, like finished up the laundry. That's basically it. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you the after to prove to you that it doesn't always look like a pigsty. So we're gonna start at the door again. This little area kind of always looks like this. I'm looking to get like a bigger table to kind of take up this entire wall so we have some more space on there to kind of like store things. I might get a bin to throw underneath for like our like mittens and hats and like stuff like that, because that just ends up looking like a mess and it like drives me insane. Plus, you know, masks aren't that pretty, so, but gotta have them. Now over here, we still have like our recycling and trash because we brought all of our recycling and trash down yesterday, but then they don't come again today, so that's just there. A little battery charging for my camera. This is all so much more clean now. The dishes are all done. This will look a little bit more tidy when we run out of like hot chocolate and candy and stuff like that from Christmas. So much better. This is all cleaned up here. Looks so much better. Couch is a little messy because I've been sitting on it, but for the most part, so much better. In here, I'm washing the little carpets, rugs, whatever, right now, so those are in the washing machine, but everything is clean in here. Clean the shower as well. I didn't touch the den, but that's a whole nother day's thing. Billy got a cage change, huh? Did you get a cage change? Yeah, it's okay, honey. I don't know why you're so afraid of the camera all of a sudden. But Billy's all clean. Oh. Everything is so much better. No little hidden messes. Oh my gosh. So refreshing. So that is it for this clean with me. I hope you guys got inspired to go and clean your own apartments, houses, whatever it is, your room. A clean space makes such a huge difference. I cannot recommend it enough. So, especially with this new year coming, get your space clean. If you guys enjoyed this video or were inspired by it or want to see more things like it, be sure to comment down below. Let me know. I had a bunch of requests, but I felt like I had been pretty good at upkeeping it up until this point, and I was like, okay, this is the perfect time. So, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Be sure to click the subscribe button down below, hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I post a video, join the Lovely Lil Fam. Also, be sure to head on over to Instagram and follow me at I'm Amanda Louise. My goal for this new year is to be more active on Instagram. That's one of the goals anyway, so hold me to it. I love you guys endlessly. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, stay blessed and don't forget to live lovely.